Here at Hair Utopia, we have something for everyone. We also do natural hair services, offer hair consultations before your service. This week we have a 20% discount special. If you send this e-commercial to a friend, you will receive a 4-ounce jar of styling pudding when you come in for your next service. Call now. This is just for this week only. Or email us. Come on in and try us. I'm sure you're going to like us.